Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Felipe Tatilo from the Business Management 3, and now I want to review about the independent campus of a hope and challenge in Indonesia. All universities in Indonesia are preparing various strategic efforts in responding to the policy direction of the Minister of Education and Culture, Nadiem Makarim, regarding an independent campus. The program will be realized in 4 policies, namely ease of a campus reaccreditation, granting study right to students outside of their 3-semester study program, campus autonomy to open new study program, and change the status of a legal entity college. Higher education institutions are obligated to give students the right to voluntarily take up or not 2-semester credit units outside their campus. Students can also take in other study program on campus as much as 1 semester from the total semester that must be taken. The idea of the independent campus would certainly provide the widest space to further develop the potential of human resources in anticipating global competition. This implementation is certainly not an easy thing for universities. At the very least, tertiary institutions must work together with various components such as trustees, academic senates, professors' councils, university work units, faculties, departments, and study programs, each of which has different roles and functions. Surely, this is a real challenge for universities in realizing an independent campus program. Seeing the essence of the independent campus policy is the expansion of autonomy, independence, accelerate bureaucracy, and increase innovation in higher education. So, of course, innovation, creative breakthrough, and strengthening of the field of science become a valuable capital in implementing an independent campus. The Minister of Education and Culture policies are also an answer to the world needs and challenges. Higher education is no longer focused with administrative issues which have been polemic and feel colonized. The independent campus has returned the college is to be a kita, which is as a center for intellectual development without having to have other burnouts, which are quite difficult technical matter at the college. However, there are other challenges to be dispolished. On the one hand, it must be get a quick response to be executed immediately, but on the other hand, there must be prior adjustment to be curriculum, implementation schedule, and system development. Of course, in the terms of this adjustment, it takes time to arrive at full implementation. In the end, every tertiary institution must have a be careful, precise, and fast strategy in actualization efforts. In the law number 12 year 2012 on higher education, universities get a very specific task to implement Tridharma, namely education, research, and community service. However, historically, tertiary institutions have a more fundamental role, which is the place of value in life of the nation of state. Higher education is the moral guardian of a nation. Therefore, the independent campus must not lose the context of the higher education. Stay concerned about the community, its social environment. In fact, this can provide added value, contribution as much as possible for the community. The hope for the policy set in the world of education must be consistent. In addition, it's also important to understand that campuses and schools are a place to build a nation, civilization, and understand the nation too. We not only need the education, science, and technology. It is far more important. It is far more important than the concerning the issue of character and character. The world of the global job market will always but not be entirely. This is the essence that is needed and should not be abandoned. Hopefully, independent campus can be right solution from the educational program that have been happening all this time. Thank you.